Hey, hello and welcome. I'm Harish Repuri. In this class, let us have a look at benefits of cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. Then we will be having a look at difference between cognitive behavioral therapy and traditional psychotherapy. So let's get started. Hello and welcome. Cognitive behavioral therapy has many benefits. They are: cognitive behavioral therapy is highly structured. It is available in many forms such as one-on-one sessions, family and group therapy, computerized behavioral therapy, and even self-help books. Cognitive behavioral therapy can be more effective than medication when it is used to treat mood disorders and addictions like anxiety, depression, and phobias. However, patients must be committed to the process. CBT may be helpful where medications have failed to work on their own. It can be used alone or combined with medications depending on the severity of the problem. CBT deals with current problems and therefore becomes effective within a relatively short period of time compared to other talking therapies. The recommendations in this course concerning CBT are helpful, practical, and effective. You should practice them regularly to prevent lapses and relapses. Thank you.